If you want to set WhatsApp chat box like this, or this, how to do that? So if you want to do that, first of all, go to WhatsApp app, then go to three dot menu. From here, select setting menu. From here, again find out the account or chat option. Here you can see chat option. Click here, and then second one, default chat theme. Here you can see multiple option. You can select anyone from here to change your WhatsApp chat theme or design. I want to select this one. No. I want to select this one. And then click to check mark. Set theme. That's it. It's very simple. And then you can also change the color like this, or you can also set wallpaper. Here you can see multiple wallpaper. Use wallpaper. You can set anyone from here like this and click to check mark. And that's it. It's a very simple tricks to change your WhatsApp theme or WhatsApp chat theme. Thanks for watching. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe.